Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's October 27th, 2025. It's about 9 a.m. About 36 degrees or so. I had a pretty good frost last night. I had to take the Yukon into the shop, and the Yukon and the Tahoe were froze up. The windows didn't really want to go down. I'm walking because the golf cart won't start. It's that time of year again. Sure is pretty out here. A lot of blue in the sky, sunshine, some clouds off in the distance. Good morning, JD. Just giving my food. Yeah, I'm not really liking the cold weather. Bella's still in the barn. Her temperature was okay last night when we checked it. So we may put her back out with the herd today. Have to see. Good morning, Bella. You're lonely, huh? I'm gonna get you some food. Bella talked me out of some corn since I was feeding the 7-Eleven chickens. Everyone's fed. Threw some hay at this end, and then more down where I normally feed. That area right there, where that gate, is pretty muddy. So the hay will help it with the waste. Where they're not walking in mud. This area here is covered pretty good. So anyway, I head up to the house and get some coffee, get warmed up. Appreciate you watching. I'll catch you later.